Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix unexpected store exception error in Windows 10. So right click on Start menu and select Windows PowerShell. You need to execute all commands carefully. So now click on S. It will open a new window, that is Windows PowerShell. Now type these commands carefully. Get dash appx package dash all users. For each, add dash appx package dash disable development mode dash register. Install location slash appx manifest dot xml. Then you need to hit enter to execute this command. Then wait for some time. After that, you have to just type exit to close this. In the next step, go to search bar and type device manager. Then click here to open it. It will open new window. Expand display adapters, right click here and select update drivers. It will open the window. Then select this one. You need to wait for some time. Okay, now close this window. Go to search bar and type cmd. Right click here and select run as administrator. Type these commands carefully. Select S and then type prompt, hit enter, then type sfc slash scan file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll, then hit enter, then type sfc slash verify file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll and hit enter. Then type ASSOC, hit enter. That's it guys, your problem is solved.